Hi guys, welcome back to Math with James. Today we're going to spend some more time talking about periodic functions. We have these three conditions over here. So fx plus 1 is equal to fx plus fx plus 2. And then f1 is equal to 2, f11 is equal to 3. We have to find out the value of f2025. First of all, we have to use this recursive equation to find out the period of this function. So actually our aim is to get an equation like this from this original equation. F is equal to fx plus p, and the p is going to be the period. Because it's recursive, we can add one more into this input over here. So plus 1, this is the original one, is equal to fx plus 2. And then we know that fx plus 2 is equal to fx plus 1 plus x plus 3, right? Just change the input to be x plus 1 plus 1. All right, so this is going to be the first equation, and this is going to be the second equation. If you add these two equations together for each side, and then as far as they're cancelled, and f plus 2 they're going to be cancelled. So basically you get fx plus fx plus 3 is equal to 0. All right, so let's just add one more over here. All right, so we get equation 3, and we have to move one more step to get this one over here. We change the input of fx to be x plus 3. So now you get fx plus 3 plus fx plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is going to be equation 4. You can do 3 minus 4 and you get fx is equal to fx plus 6, which tells you the period actually here is 6. All right, so basically you can divide 2025 by 6 and you get the remainder. I'm not going to compute anymore because it's going to take a lot of space. So 2025 divided by 6, the remainder is going to be 3. So f2025 is going to be equal to f3. We need to find out the value of f3. Let me erase this part to get some more space to do more calculation to get the final result. We haven't used the other two conditions. We have f1 is equal to 2 and f11 is equal to 3. f11 is also f5 because 6 is the period. 11 is 5 plus 6. So we can also consider f11 as f5. So f3 actually is equal to the first equation over here is equal to f2 plus f4. And then f2 is equal to f1 plus f3. And f4 is equal to f3 plus f5. Now we know this value over here and we know this value over here. You have two f3s together and one f3 over here. So f3 is equal to minus f1 plus 5. Just plug in these two values and then you get the final result, minus 5. Guys, take care. I'll see you next time.